In the whirlwind of life, it's no secret that stress can feel like a constant companion. It's a shared experience that weaves its way into our days, sometimes making it challenging to find moments of peace. But what if there was a way to navigate through this stress, to find relief in understanding and compassionate care? Welcome to the world of online nurse talks. This innovative approach to healthcare is transforming the way we think about mental stress relief. Imagine this: a dedicated healthcare professional, accessible from the comfort of your own home at any time. A nurse with years of training and experience, ready to listen, to guide, to offer advice and provide comfort. No waiting rooms, no travel time, just immediate personal care. That's what online nurse talks offer, a lifeline to those seeking mental stress relief. Online nurse talks are not just about managing stress, they're about understanding it. They're about finding ways to cope, to build resilience, to enhance your overall well-being. These virtual sessions provide a safe space for you to discuss your worries, fears, and stressors with a professional who can provide practical strategies and solutions. The beauty of online nurse talks lies in their accessibility. Whether you're in the midst of a busy workday or winding down at night, these professionals are just a click away. They offer a human connection in the digital age, a beacon of light guiding you through the storm of mental stress. But it's not just about the convenience. Online nurse talks offer personalized care tailored to your unique needs. They understand that stress is not a one-size-fits-all issue. Each session is designed to address your specific concerns, providing individualized strategies and techniques to manage and alleviate your stress. Remember, seeking help is not a sign of weakness, but a testament to your strength. It's a brave step towards reclaiming your peace of mind, towards living a life not defined by stress, but by joy and fulfillment. So why wait? Take control of your mental well-being today. Schedule your first online nurse talk and embark on your journey towards stress relief. Experience the power of personalized professional care at your fingertips. After all, you deserve peace. You deserve understanding. You deserve relief.